Hi beautiful people, you're welcome to Pendi's Corner. So on this lovely day, myself and my sisters decided that we wanted to have some fish rolls for breakfast. And of course your girl was there ready to give them that treat. I do this as a side hustle, so why can't I give my sisters that treat? So here I had my dough kneaded, and of course it was very I enjoyed doing it. I had my feelings. So here I had carrots, I had spring onions, I had Irish potatoes, Scotch bonnet pepper, the fish itself. I didn't use onions for this. You might like to use onions for yours, but for me I do not like it. And here I had my dough and fillings ready. Please let me know if you're interested in learning how I prepared this, from mixing up the dough to the filling. Cut this into reasonable sizes and portions so everyone will be satisfied. I mean, nobody was even ready to share her portion. So I fried this in a low heat, and guys, you don't want your fish roll to be all burnt. You want it golden brown as I have mine here. Please do not forget to like, share, leave a comment, subscribe to this channel. Turn on your post notifications so you get notified whenever I post this recipe or many other recipes that I'll be sharing on this channel. Please guys, stay tuned. Let me know what you have yours with. Here it was all ready and looking all yummy. For me that morning I had it with hot chocolate. By the way, I'm on a weight loss journey. In fact, I don't even want my coach to see this. See you all in my next video. Bye.